Hi everyone, and welcome to Pixel's back-end video demonstration. Pixel is a powerful plugin for your WordPress e-commerce web stores, and using this plugin you can make your website offer multiple products for your customers to personalize according to their own needs. Let's see how Pixel looks on the back end. As you can see, all the red modules are the ones which will appear once the Pixel tool is installed in your WordPress WooCommerce web store. So starting with the raw products. Now as you can see, the first option is all raw products. Now this option allows you to see all the products you have uploaded and you are offering on your front end of the website. You can see the details of the product, like the price, category, and the date of which it has been published. And let's see what all options you have when you enter or upload any product. So if you wish to add any new raw product, you can click on add raw products, after which you can enter its name. Its permalink will be created. You can select its draw area, and according to different views you can offer the draw area. You can add more views to the product, that is in the case of multi-site products such as t-shirt, caps, etc. You can add more products views. Moving on, we have product settings, which tells the manufacturer's name, the base price for the product, and the product description. Moreover, you have the option of adding multiple colors to the product. On the right hand side we have the feature image, which is the thumbnail which is shown in the front end. You can also add any distress as in default. You can select the product category, and you can also choose when to publish your product and see the current status of your product. Moving on to the next option we have in this module is product category. As you can see, these are the drop downs or the categories your products will fall in. You can add any new category by simply adding its name and clicking on add new item. You can also select if the category will be default. By doing so, any uncategorized product will fall under this category. After this we come to product distress. This option is useful for uploading your watermarks and making the image uneditable for your clients or customers while they design any product. These distress can be removed at the time of printing, and you can offer multiple distress images. Moving on, we have the product colors. These are the colors you offer in a product. Any new color can be added by clicking on add new, and you can also select other actions to perform any activity on the existing colors. Next is the product view. Now as you can see, different size and the different products have different sides, and as I explained earlier, you can upload some views or sites which will help you out while uploading a product. As you can see, you can add any new view by clicking on add new. Change the existing view name by entering the text here. You can select the default color of the view, make this view default or not, assign its category or make it a parent category, and also select its publish date and visibility. Now the last option of this module is product fonts. Fonts are uploaded from the back end, and you can also create the subcategories of the font, that is, make the font bold, medium, or regular. You can add any new font by clicking on add new, and the other modification options on the font are similar as explained for different options of the raw products. Now we move on to the next module, which is design ideas. Design ideas are pre-designed graphics which you can offer your customers as a ready-to-go design, which they can either modify or use as it is for their custom requirement. Now here you can see all the design ideas. Click on edit design to make the changes in your existing design or graphic idea. Then we shift to design categories, which helps you to offer your customers a wide range of design ideas and select from the category of their requirement. You can create the new category by entering its name, assigning its category or subcategory, and entering the thumbnail image. As you can see, this is a thumbnail image, and this will be shown on the front end. You can make this a default category as I showed you earlier in this video too, and by clicking on add new item you will create the category for the design idea. Next module is product clip arts. Now as you can see, all multi-layers are the clip arts which you have uploaded. These clip arts fall under the categories and the subcategories, and as you can see, we have entered basic information about the clip art, that is its name, the color for the clip art, the variants, and the image, the original image of the clip art. You can add any new clip art by clicking on add multi-layer, and you can manage the categories of the clip art from clip art category option. Now as you can see, all my categories are listed on the right hand side, and to upload or enter any new category, all I need to do is enter its name, assign if any parent category, upload clip art's thumbnail image, choose the default color for the clip art, if any basic cost of the clip art which needs to be entered, and if the clip art is in a subcategory, you can create more layers to it and click on add new category. And this brings us to the end of the product clip art module, and now we shift to design products. This module will allow you to design multiple products and give your customers a ready to go product or design idea, which will be also shown in the front end of the web store. Your customers can either select for a ready to go option or customization option. Once you have created any design, you will need to approve the design so that it gets reflected on the front end, as I was explaining earlier. And now we come to the last module of the tool, which is the tool settings. Now tool settings will allow you to handle the different modules of the front end of the tool. You can also see the general settings of the tool, like the design page, the default tool product page, the site path, the server path, and the output format in which you want your files to be printed. Next we have the menu settings. Using this you can control activities like disabling the design idea, disabling clip arts, text, images, and distress effects, etc. Now by disabling any of these will allow your customer to buy a ready to go solution or ready to go product. Let's say for example I have disabled the clip arts, so all my customers or clients won't be able to use the clip art option, and they would have to do with the current design and the current clip art which is uploaded in the t-shirt or any other product. Moving on, we have the price settings, which is quite similar like menu settings. I can enable different prices for different modules such as clip arts, color and text and images. By enabling it, every time the customer uses any different color or different clip art, he will be charged separately for the same. Next we have the product size. Now this is an important module, as you would have to sync the size of the product with your WooCommerce product size. So let's say you have entered any different size here which is not mentioned in your WooCommerce or vice versa, then the tool or your customer, when they create the order, might create a problem for you on the back end. Now next we have the name setting and the number settings. These both settings are quite similar. You can select the price for the name your customer is using this module for. You can select which color will be the default color, what will be its code, and how wide will its size be. And you can add multiple sizes to the name option, and same goes with the number settings. And let me show you. As you can see, all my options are same as the name settings. So shifting to the system reports, now as you can see, this will tell you all the necessary, now as you can see, all the requirement for the tool are mentioned here, and if anything goes south, the tool will let you know. I thank you all for watching this video, and I hope your queries and your doubts have been answered.